How to find Wells Fargo's card number. Now this is very easy and quick. Now on your mobile phone, the first thing you'll have to do is just to download the Wells Fargo's application via the Play Store. Now Play Store, just simply type in Wells Fargo's and then install and download it. And from there, once you have successfully installed it, the next thing you do is just to log in to your account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll have to go to the menu, which will be located at the lower right portion of your screen. Now, for menu, choose on Statements and Documents. Now, from Statements and Documents, the next page will gonna be route you to the Statements and Disclosure. Just simply press on that and choose on the specific card that you would like to have a vision of the card number. Now, once you selected that, just click on next and you will be routed to a new window that will show you your card number on the requested card that you chose. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can get or see your card number on using the Wells Fargo's app.